Hey guys, it's Miss Recheck, and I just want to tell you that this week we're having Mental Health Awareness Week at Winnetonka High School. Monday, we're wearing green to support those who face depression. Tuesday, we're wearing yellow to support suicide prevention. Thursday, we're wearing light blue to support those who have faced sexual assault. Friday, we're wearing red to support those who face addiction, and it also represents Dare to Resist Drugs. Check out posters around the building from the Healthy Living Club and take the pledge to stop the stigma around mental health. If you need any assistance, please stop by the SSC for more resources. I've also created this PowerPoint so that you could look through and review different sources that are out there for all to use. If you would like to join Healthy Living Club at Winnetonka High School, stop by A5, which is my room, to get signed up. I hope everybody has a great week, and thank you for all of your support. And I just want everyone here to know that we are all here for you. We're all in this together, and I just hope you have a great day and just breathe. Thank you.